We are a team of scientists and engineers, geologists and roboticists, professors and industry experts, coming together to build the tools needed to understand volcanic emissions and their effects on our world. Our goals are to build and test collaborative swarms of drones that are capable of sampling gases within active volcanoes in places that are far too dangerous or remote for people to go. The team is highly collaborative with investigators from multiple disciplines within science and engineering.
I'm Tobias Fischer.
My name is Matthew Frick.
John Erickson.
My name is Rafael Fierro.
My name is Scott Nowicki.
My name is Jared Sale.
I'm Melanie Moses, and I'm leading the VolCAN project. The VolCAN swarm will locate sources of CO2 emissions, follow the gradients created by volcanic plumes, and estimate the amounts of carbon dioxide and the ratio of emitted CO2 to other gases.
Over the next 4 years, we will be taking the VolCAN drone swarms from theory to field areas that represent the most significant sources of natural greenhouse gases, from the Valles Caldera in New Mexico to the craters of some of the most active volcanoes on the planet. This work will be a collaboration far beyond researchers at UNM and will involve the international research community as well as the people who live on the slopes of these volcanoes, where volcanic monitoring and prediction may be necessary to a continued way of life.
VolCAN is inspired by nature in order to help scientists better understand the natural world.